Title: Miki the Kangaroo Chef. Chapter 2. Dedicated to every little helper who loves to mix, flip, and splash, may your kindness rise higher than your pancakes. It's Pancake Day in the Outback. Miki the Kangaroo Chef is flipping up fun with her friends when a suddenly rainstorm splashes their picnic plans. Can Miki save the day with a hop, a flap, and a flip of good cheer? Let's bounce in and see. Chapter 2. The Pancake Picnic Puddle. It was a bright morning in the bush. Miki the Kangaroo Chef bounced from branch to branch, carrying a basket full of pancake mix and berries. "Today is the Pancake Picnic Puddle," she sang, "fluffy, fruity, and full of fun." Her friends gathered under a big gum tree near a sparkly billabong. Koala Kim brought eucalyptus syrup. Wombat Walt brought jam so sticky it stretched like a rainbow string. And Joey Jack carried a tin of crunchy nuts, although he nibbled half on the way. "All right, team," Miki grinned, tying her polka dot apron. "Let's make the most bouncy pancakes in all of Australia." The air filled with yummy scents, sizzling berries, golden batter, and laughter. But just as Miki flipped her biggest, fluffiest pancake, splash! "Oh no!" cried Kim. The sky grumbled and poured rain like a bucket full of giggles. Soon the ground turned into a squishy puddle. Their picnic blanket floated away, and their pancakes turned to soggy mush. For a moment, everyone frowned. "Our picnic's ruined," muttered Walt. "We can't eat mushy pancakes." For a moment, Miki blinked at the puddle, then her face lit up. "Wait a hop second, maybe we can." Miki scooped up the soggy pancakes, mashed in the berries, mixed in nuts and syrup, then shaped the gooey mix into little puddle patties. "Behold my new recipe, puddle pancakes, perfect for rainy days." Her friends giggled. "Are you sure they're good?" Miki winked. "Only one way to find out." They each took a bite. And their eyes lit up. "Delicious," said Kim. "Crunchy and sweet," said Walt. "And fun to squish," laughed Joey Jack, splashing little droplets everywhere. Miki giggled so hard she nearly bounced into the puddle herself. They all danced and splashed while the rain sparkled around them, sharing pancakes and laughter. By the time the storm passed, the Outback smelled like rain and joy. The friends sat together watching a rainbow stretch across the glowing sky. "Even rainy days can be sweet," said Miki, nibbling another puddle pancake. "And every spill can become a surprise," added Joey Jack, licking syrup from his nose. The moral lesson of the story: don't give up when things go wrong. Bounce back, be creative, and find joy in the unexpected. True strength is turning puddles into possibility. Miki discovered that a mess can turn into something magical. When you mix it with laughter and courage, join her next time in Miki and the Boomerang Bake-Off, where teamwork takes the cake. Thank you for being part of our story time. Please like, share, and subscribe to help our family-friendly storytelling space grow with love and imagination.